What's going on, everyone? So today we are going to unbox and review the Fifine Am8 microphone. First off, I will say that I have been using the Fifine K690 microphone since I first started streaming, and I have had absolutely no problems with it and have enjoyed it a lot. I expect the same, if not more, from the Am8. I mostly use a standalone microphone when I'm streaming and I'm talking to chat, and I use my headset to usually talk to the people I'm playing with, or when I'm editing videos and need to do some voiceovers. I am a tech lover, but if certain things work, I tend to not upgrade them unless I absolutely want to. First off, I would like to say that the quality of the packaging is very well done and has definitely been upgraded since I bought the K690, I think 4 years or 5 years ago. The Am8 is a budget-conscious microphone that won't break the bank. At the time of recording, it costs about $54.99, but it might be higher or lower depending on when you're watching this video. You can also get an Am8 kit that comes with a boom arm. I'll leave a link to both of them in the description down below. This mic has two audio connections, a USB-C connection and also an XLR connection. We're going to focus on the USB-C connection in this review, but I will note though that when using an XLR input, you will lose the functions on the mic and you must adjust everything with an audio interface. So just keep that in mind. Just so you guys know, all the voiceovers for the video are on the Fifine Am8, so you can hear how the mic sounds, but at the end of the video, I will give you a full-on mic test and let you hear how it sounds in different scenarios, so stay tuned. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment down below. It really does help me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. Alright guys, let's get back to the video. I think we're at the unboxing. Again, the packaging is really nice, and the inside really makes sure to keep the mic safe from damage. First off, you get a user guide, nothing too crazy. Then you get a mic stand. The bottom is very grippy, and the top is plastic. Then inside here you get a USB-C to USB-A cable that is 6.5 feet. And then finally you get a mic which feels very light but still feels like it's built well. Now this looks like a good looking mic. The build quality is good for the price. The body is mostly plastic, but to me it doesn't feel cheap in any way. It feels pretty solid. It has a tap to mute button on the back, and the USB-C and XLR input are on the bottom of the mic, as well as a real-time monitoring 3.5 headphone jack. It has controllable RGB lights. You can change the colors with the touch-sensitive button on the back of the microphone. The RGB has 3 modes: dynamic RGB, flow, breathing gradient, and a static color. If you hold the button, the RGB will turn off. Both the mic gain control and headphone volume control for monitoring are in the front. The Am8 features a dynamic mic capsule with a noise reduction quartered pattern. It comes in 3 colors: black, white, and pink. Alright guys, so I currently have OBS open right now and we are recording. The camera is a different camera, so if it looks different, that is why. I have the Fifine Am8 hooked up. I'm in the position I normally am when I'm streaming, so hopefully this sounds good. Yeah, I will test it out maybe when I get a little bit closer and see. Rush is my favorite streamer. Rush is my favorite streamer. Test, test, 1 2 1 2. We'll do a keyboard test to see how that sounds. Maybe pick up the mic, see how this sounds, because some people like to pick up the mic and talk. I don't know why. Yeah, my dog just barked, so if you heard that, that might be a thing. And then the last thing I want to test is I want to see how it sounds when my air conditioner goes on. It's really hot in the summer, so I tend to always have this on when I'm streaming. If it's not too bad, I'm going to give the mic a 2 thumbs up. And yeah, let me know how it sounds. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the audio quality on the mic. The Am8 has absolutely blown my mind of how good the audio sounds for the price you actually pay. I highly recommend this to content creators, streamers, gamers who are starting out and possibly want to save some money, but not lack any audio quality. Yeah, again, Fifine Am8, I absolutely highly recommend it. Yeah, until next video, peace out, guys.